Looking for web hosting that's fast, reliable, and eco-friendly? Today, we're diving into GreenGeeks, what it is, what it's used for, and why it might be the perfect hosting solution for your website. I'll also be providing you with a GreenGeeks discount so you can save some money on your GreenGeeks domain name and web hosting purchase. You get GreenGeeks web hosting for as low as $2.95 a month, plus a free domain name. To take advantage of the GreenGeeks discount, just click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. Let's dive in. GreenGeeks is a web hosting company that powers over 600,000 websites and is known for its commitment to the environment. But it's not just about being green, it's also a full-featured hosting provider offering shared hosting, WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, VPS hosting, reseller hosting, dedicated servers hosting, website builder, and more. What makes them stand out? They replace 3 times the energy they consume with renewable energy, making them one of the most environmentally responsible hosts on the market. Plus, for every hosting plan you purchase, GreenGeeks plants one tree to support a healthier planet. GreenGeeks is used by bloggers, business owners, online store creators, agencies, and developers to build and host websites of all kinds. Whether you're launching your first blog, building an e-commerce store, or managing multiple client sites, GreenGeeks has hosting plans to fit your needs. So why choose GreenGeeks? Here are a few reasons. Affordable pricing. Plans start as low as $2.95 per month, making a budget-friendly option for launching your website. Speed and performance. They use SSD storage, light-speed servers, and advanced caching for fast load times. Top-tier security. Your website is protected with real-time scanning, daily backups, and a free SSL to keep your data safe. Free domain with your web hosting purchase. Great value for beginners. 24/7 support, live chat, and ticket-based support anytime you need it. Eco-conscious choice. Reduce your carbon footprint just by hosting your site. If you care about performance and the planet, GreenGeeks is a smart pick. With GreenGeeks, you can go green with your hosting. I hope this GreenGeeks tutorial video helps you get a clear idea of what GreenGeeks web hosting is, what you can use GreenGeeks for, and why it might be the right hosting choice for you. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment, letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more GreenGeeks web hosting tutorial videos.